I want to give a couple of reasons in this video as to why product manager, product owner, advanced Scrum Master certification, agile product management, all from Scaled Agile, are one of the best ways forward to actually take your capabilities, your career, and your skill sets to the next level. And this all stems from taking one course. That is the Leading Safe course by Scaled Agile Framework. Now, Scaled Agile Framework is a phenomenal framework to help an entire organization, an entire enterprise or company to take agility and roll it out to every department and every division so that they can all work in a nice rhythm that can deliver products and services on a consistent, constant basis to the customer, and that is actually giving them customer delight, giving them enjoyment and interaction with the company. They give that feedback to the company, and the company can revamp based on the new ideas and then keep reiterating and delivering new value back to the customers. So in order for this to happen, the current setup in companies is cumbersome, it's slow, and it's full of political issues and agendas, which slows down the entire process. But having this kind of scaled agile framework in there kind of just makes this work beautifully. It makes it work smoothly as anything. But the introduction into how this is done is through the Leading Safe course, which is a 2-day course which allows you to become which certifies you as a safe agilist. So when you take the course and you pass the exam, you become a safe agilist. Now, the safe agilist certification is widely recognized, is globally recognized, and most importantly, it gives you the seal of approval that you know your stuff when it comes to scaling agility. You also understand what it takes to implement scaling agility within your enterprise. And it also shows that you are someone that understands the critical importance of a changing environment. Things keep changing in this world, as you know, fuel prices, inflation, wars that are going on. Companies need to be adaptable, and new aspiring competitors are springing up from all over the place. We need to be adaptive more than ever. But to do it at an enterprise company level, it is difficult. This is what Leading Safe shows you. And it shows you exactly in the 2-day course how you can take people from departments, from divisions, stick them in a structure which they call the Agile Release Train. Now, the Agile Release Train is it's basically a network of individuals within a company that are assigned to one project or program that are there to deliver a large project, a large cross-cutting project that involves so many departments, but streamlined in order to deliver the value in the most efficient, coherent, and effective way possible to the customers and stakeholders. Imagine having this understanding right now and how it can transform your execution of your projects for the rest of your life. That is knowledge, that is power within your hands. So it all comes from the Leading Safe course, but also we look at principles, we look at design thinking, Agile Release Train, and how some of the stuff maps to the portfolio as well, and some conclusions. So that's the course, a very good course. But people always ask me, so hey, what is the next step that you need to do? What is things that we could do after the Leading Safe course? Now, guys, it's beautifully laid out. Number one, you can become a Scrum Master, or you can take the Scrum Master course from SAFE, which further goes into depth about how the Scrum Master role can operate within a scaled environment. But also, if you want to take it a step further, take the Advanced Scrum Master course. That even teaches you how you can become an Agile coach to a perspective, and how you can operate on operate agility from a facilitation point of view and a Agile leader point of view within your organization. Fantastic line that you can take there. But some people might say, I'm not interested in that. What if I want to do something else? Absolutely. How about product management? To become product manager, product ownership. So you can become a mini CEO of your own product or service. Or maybe you want to start your own company. You need to have product management skills in there, 100%. And if you're a product owner aspiring to become a product manager, this is the perfect course for you. Safe product manager, product owner, POPM or PMPO, I can't remember what it is. But this course is phenomenal for you. It teaches you exact principles, the exact way of operation and execution for a product manager. A question that you might have is, can a product owner take this course? Yes. Can a product manager take this course? Yes. In fact, it's very beneficial for those types of individuals to take this course. How about people that are sitting the PMP or the CSM or the PSM? In fact, it's much more beneficial if you take this course. But this course is only beneficial if you take the course before it, which is Leading Safe. Take the Leading Safe and you decide, do I want to become a Scrum Master, Advanced Scrum Master, or do I want to become a product manager, product owner? So that's the two paths that you've got there. I always recommend, if you are very focused on delivering products, if you want to delight customers, if you want to have that kind of visionary Elon Musk, Steve Jobs mindset of delivering fantastic products to the customers, take PMPO, product owner, product manager. But if you want to become a very good project manager, and one that can facilitate the team and drive true empowerment, Scrum Master and Safe Advanced Scrum Master. That would be the line there. But having said both of these courses, is there another course in this mix? Is there another course? Maybe you don't want to become a career, maybe you don't want to focus on a particular angle. Maybe you don't want to become a Scrum Master and you don't want to become a product manager, product owner. Is there something else that you can take? The answer is yes. Agile Product Management, which is from SAFe as well, Scaled Agile. The beautiful thing about this course is that it is a true blend of project management and agility. It actually shows you how the market rhythm, design thinking, and many of the aspects of the Leading Safe course, Scrum Master course, and the product management course all stuck together, and how you can actually deliver it to stakeholders and customers and get their feedback and roll out. So it's a truly an integrated course. But this course only makes sense if you take it after the Leading Safe. So this course is almost like a holistic view of Agile Product Management, which is Agile Project Management to a certain extent to most of my viewers who are unaware of what agility brings. So the SAFe courses actually open up the boundaries. It actually opens up opportunities. It opens up options for you to take. But this all stems from one course. You must take Leading Safe to understand the foundation first. And then after when you've understood the foundation, you can go on these other courses. What this means for you is that not only are you grounding yourself in a fantastic scaling framework to scale agility within your organization, but also it allows you to understand how you can deliver large projects within your company, but at the same time you can decide which area do you want to focus in on. Think about having that knowledge. Think about having those capabilities. Think about having the answers to questions, to scenarios, to problems, to issues within your company that your company is facing right now, and you have those answers. Think about the position this puts you in. Think about the authority, the credibility, the responsibility, who everyone comes and talks to for advice, for guidance, for support, for consulting is you. Because you have this special knowledge that grants you execution power, grants you the know-how on how to get stuff done. But actually, more importantly, it gives you exactly the steps what to do. Most of the time when we're doing this stuff, we don't actually have a clue what we're meant to do. Is it step A, or is it step B, or is it step C, or is it step... Which step are we meant to take? It tells you exactly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are the steps. Do them this way. Think about having that. Think about having that workflow, that process to improve your projects, to help you answer some of the questions that you're stuck in at your workplace right now. But also, think about career progression, career promotion. These courses are fantastic for that. They actually enable you to take your career to the next level. In conclusion, it starts off with Leading Safe, and it branches out. If you want to become a key facilitator, which is a Scrum Master, if you want to become a visionary CEO for a product line or service, product manager, product ownership, or if you want to become an all-rounder, which is basically agile product management, so you know how to deliver projects in an agile way, incorporating the customer feedback, watching the market rhythms, all that good stuff, then it's agile product management. But none of this is possible without understanding the Leading Safe course. This is all the phenomenal courses that are given to you by the Scaled Agile Framework. If that sounds interesting to you guys, you've seen my contact details throughout the video. Feel free to contact me on my TikTok, my Instagram, on my WhatsApp. Feel free to like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment down below. And I hope to see you guys on one of my courses very soon. If you don't want to be on one of my courses, that's absolutely fine. Keep watching the channel, keep learning new stuff, and maybe you might join one of my custom one-to-one coaching sessions very, very soon.